All right, we're up here on Keystone at the crossing. There's I-465 getting all jammed up because it's rush hour. But we have a parking garage right here, which I suspect has an elevator. So let's go see if that's true. You get a nice view of the little apartments over there in the lake. Oh yeah, I see one right there. Huh. Well, whatever this was, it looks like ThyssenKrupp modded it. Modernized. ThyssenKrupp mod. Oh, this was a Dover. This might have had impulse. Here up at 3. Well, this is kind of unexpected. Let's get a brief cab view. Cab's holding up well, I'd say. Floor is a tad bit dirty though. 2,500 pound capacity, Mad BS California buttons, I think. Here at LL. It says Dover on the door track. It's pretty cold in here too. I don't have a jacket on. But I'm guessing this had impulse because of that Dover grill. But this looks like a new mod. Looks like it just happened. You can see the Sheraton over there. That's wonderful. New interlock right there. Well, TK, you did a good job on this mod. I'm impressed. Despite the fact it's pretty chilly in here. But anyways, here we are at 1. And there it goes. And that's going to be it.